Hello, welcome back to Math 112, Calculus 2. Today we have Lecture 16. This lecture is simply a review of basic integration formulas. First, we recall that the integral of du equals u plus a constant. The integral of a constant times du is the constant times u plus a constant of integration. We also recall that the integral of a sum is the sum of the integrals. That is, the integral of du plus dv is u plus v plus a constant. Now here is one of the most traditional formulas we've been using since Calculus 1. The integral of u to the n du is u to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus a constant. And this is true for n not equal to -1. But it can be for rational numbers n as well as positive and negative integers. Now we see the formula for n equal -1. The integral of du over u equals the natural log of the absolute value of u plus a constant. So we see that the integral of du over u is the natural log function plus a constant. Now let's recall some of our trigonometric integrals. The integral of sine u du is negative cosine u plus a constant. The integral of cosine u du is sine u plus a constant. The integral of secant squared u du is tangent of u plus a constant. The integral of cosecant squared u du is negative cotangent u plus a constant. The integral of secant u tangent u du is secant u plus a constant. The integral of cosecant u cotangent u du is negative cosecant u plus a constant. We also have the integral of tangent u du is the natural log of the absolute value of the secant u plus a constant. Remember, we arrived at that result by just letting tangent u equal sine u over cosine of u. Similarly, we can find that the integral of the cotangent of u du is the natural log of the sine of u plus a constant. And all we have to do is let cotangent of u be cosine u over sine of u, and we arrive at this result. One of our very basic formulas is the integral of e to the u du is just e to the u plus a constant. We also have the integral of a to the u du, where a is a number greater than 0 and not equal to 1. What we have then is that the integral of a to the u du is a to the u over the natural log of a plus a constant. You'll recall these formulas from our previous lectures. The integral of du over the square root of a squared minus u squared is just arc sine u over a plus a constant. Similarly, the integral of du over a squared plus u squared is 1 over a arc tangent u over a plus a constant. We also have the integral of du over u times the square root of u squared minus a squared. That equals 1 over a arc secant u over a plus a constant. And similarly, we have the integral of the secant of u du is just natural log of secant u plus tangent u plus a constant. We also have the integral of cosecant u du. It's negative the natural log of cosecant u plus cotangent u plus a constant. This concludes this lecture. We had a very good time reviewing all of the basic integration formulas that we'll be using intensively in the remainder of the course. Thank you for joining us.